In today's FX markets, let's take a look at the Australian dollar as it's realizing further upside. We're seeing it up now 4 out of the last 5 trading sessions and pushing to 3.5-month highs. 0.732 is where the futures market is currently priced. And I think when you look at some of the driving factors, a lot has to do with this commodity strength. Continues to work its way through the markets, and net exporters of commodities, it appears those currencies are benefiting from those trends. When you look at some of the price action in the pairs trades, we're looking at the Australian dollar up strongly today, New Zealand dollar having a nice day as well. Now the Canadian dollar under a little bit of pressure, even though they are a net exporter of crude, and they did raise rates this morning, but that was expected. It appears that at least today, the Canadian dollar is not necessarily benefiting from that trend. But when you look at other net exporters, those currency markets are having a stronger day relative to net importers. When you look at the euro down on the session and the British pound are also down on the session. Japanese yen slightly weaker, but pretty much unchanged on the day. And the other driving factor today would be the dollar strength. Even though we are seeing the Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar higher, the U.S. dollar index continues to push now to the highest level in a year and a half. So we are seeing that pushing out above the recent tops. So again, that's influencing the pairs trades today. And the trends, let's look at the general trends for the Australian dollar specifically. Again, trending up here after hitting a bottom about a month ago. We are seeing it now pushing back up to the levels in November of last year. So 3.5-month highs. And again, as commodity prices continue to hold at the top end of the range, I would expect that these currencies that are based in net exporters will continue to maintain this upward trajectory as well.